Sorry guys, I'm kind of busy today. I went for grocery. I'm kind of busy, but tomorrow will be the D-Day that I will address everything that I just posted today. Please don't forget. But I want us to, because I did not listen to his live video. I did not listen to his live video. So I just finished coming back, putting up my grocery. Today will be my last day for off day. So tomorrow I will make sure that I sleep on time and I wake up, and I meet you guys tomorrow how we can deliberate on many things. There are many broken plates to be broken and to be break tomorrow. There are many breakable plates that will be broke tomorrow. You want to go? Jpac, Governor Yoshi ex-convicts. I heard that you are the one now. You are the one now. See how fugited you are. You can't even talk. And I'm not to get a hand on a group. The saga members, anyway, let us listen to your video. So tomorrow, because I didn't listen to it. That honestly speaking, I did not. So come join me to my followers. Because I heard that you said a lot of things. Michael Obi, you're welcome, my darling. Tomorrow, I will unfold the ball. So wait, say me chana mona ga eku again you contact. Hey! Okoto, wait. I thought you said that mona ga eku. So to my greatest surprise now, mona ga eku si gonna use him contacts. Hey! Eche me she get up again with phone one. So you finally the call woman. Hey. So you finally they call woman. I thought you say you know they call woman. Eh? See how I heard that you lied. 1 million on Zion. Anyway, I got me bute mini and I got my chocolate keep mini and no do issue. But nobody should ever. Hey, people, they don't come on. Hello? Hello?
Auntie Mo, Pico, Bara.
Get a bar again.
Pico, I'm one negging why I come from your kiss sister. Only a Jpac email, get a Jpac face here. Pico Nancy.
What's up? Diamano? Again.
It's gonna mess up the place.
Okay.
Auntie Pico. It was at the local bookstore. I'm on me when they were
No. I don't know why you guys. No. There are many more to be breaking tomorrow. Echigare hot. Everybody, Bruno Manyunu. Every day, Bruno Manyunu tomorrow. Shenri by 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. Nigerian time. I will break every breakable. So eme chana Jpac mona ga na eku na phone. Eme chago eche machine get that to through phone ko wan. Isn't that what you told them before? You see, when people are shooting themselves on the leg, they keep lying and they shoot themselves. You want to go? When people are shooting them, so and even that useless top said, so there was a time you do pick up your call to call me.
Hey, Jesus. He didn't see this coming.
when I ship mother got out, I haven't listened to the video. I've been receiving call. Emma, today is my last day. I went to shopping. I bought a lot of things. So you know. I'm sure you're this. Okay, yeah. Fuck off. Jpac already disgusting. Oh yeah. F off. Metuno. Dogo. Metuno. Mang.
Auntie.
All these rich men. Man, the Jpac can help, huh? Haga go keep it.
Hey, auntie.
Nya chana go. Yaga go ticket. Get them ready. Jpac, so there was a time you didn't call me. There was a time you fucking don't call. Guys, it's a Abraham here Geruga part 200.
Hey,
you never see anything. This young Bakara Opo Morocco ex-convict. This idiot ex-convict. See them. Mwa we get on a life history for hand. Unu jime egbu. Ya wuru na ima ihe, I could have been the last person you open mouth to reply because I chema pambura mu genaka. It was done. Guys, please, tomorrow children bikono. And where they hear you. But I already go away who rob. Here medicine after that.
Auntie. Imanana maforonya la ihe. Ba, he started this whole thing.
You know, I'm national. Na Zion nyere me ego. Zion nyere 1 million. Zion nyere me ego. Hey, okay, chata atala ma ahụhụ. Mụnwa Zion nyere me ego. Mụnwa. Ogechi.
Yeah, now I know that.
I'm not gonna leave them. You know this. You know ex-convict. I told the baby I'm gonna be able to reply and ex-convict, but don't worry. I will a lot of MG Shiggy page man whole life. Who get your life? Because I got no other life to destroy two of you. I'm out. I'm going to destroy you now, poor. I will squeeze up my like this. I got to squeeze my ex-convict. I'm a squeeze. No, I'm just squeezing this thing. I will squeeze up my now like this. And when I'm corners, I will saga. Saga is my hobby. I eat saga, live saga. I'm like this. My sister, bye now. Eat this trash. I get later. Oh yeah, Otilo. I got who letter. Now, can you share your video? Because I would like to listen to it with my followers. Tomorrow, all those big men, those people, listen, all of them. Bam, I go. Jpac, you're messing with the wrong woman. Only you will stay. I don't mention Baby Yoko, but as far as you don't mention him, I go leak everything you told me about him. You know, me mention him. Now you carry and put inside this thing. So, Otido, I got a page. Because I did not listen to it. Honestly, I don't watch him. I'm going to watch here. Kamgano. Ex-convict go. Tomorrow, tomorrow, go get data. Jpac. Yaru de nyem wagana. Para ya, nora camera like this. Onya camera, ndeko tore to obrega ko nwa kwa ya lapanu genye mo kumweje lab. Cause tomorrow God. Oh God, he called me. Hachana put Zion on the 10. Yabia kuchiegi. All this game when they start, you know they walk. Now maybe Grandmaster Saga. Before una enter Saga, was in the Saga. Or we in a put Zion on the bake off for waiting to happen. Zion in a put big cover because all you know say na Akwa no na eji akwa egwu Akwa no na eji daji egwu he put this one na oge me ya sowa no it no go happen. It no go happen. Una strategy is dead than arrival. You want to go? Unu manam na bu nu kawa ejoku. Ona ehu tu na abo na amu. Pom. Una be with it. Daddy, Ogechi Njaka. Are you guys not the patron of that group? Never. Eston Vitongi le go to anya shawe jirubo ganya. Daddy, Ebukami, where are you? You know what you don't get. Uno man all woman wobu junu no when it come to Zion. Uno want to cause problem. Kakuno bane buko because she Ogechi do not mention my name again. Again, I don't understand. Uno man all woman wobu junu. You guys cannot penetrate Zion. No more problem. Now, look at I could go do and what be strategy in that. When na have a meeting, do you think I was lying? Every one of them when I had like this. Now that one they give me all the okay. In upcoming days, all of them gays is support. Nam lepa. Me cherunu. Anyway, kai gegi. Jpac, let's go.
The dress family my wife family so I respect them. That's why I did not come online all this while.
Shut up, but shut up. You don't have anything.
Yes.
Even a saga, so I respect my wife. In respect to your wife, everybody give on us. People say I say you the nyash for nyash, but how you can't say you the woman? Jpac. They nyash you because in our connection, and they nyash woman because so ham will get you. They nyash you for us because they do for connection, but they nyash woman because that is what your arm wants. So what is too confusing about people? You take your ass, they get getting connection, but I'm gonna get your one here. I'm not query. I go dance your dance.
Good evening.
Tomorrow. That's a guy game video, yeah.
Good evening. I'm going to come out about the book. But I engineer would have made a quick
come shift.
God bless you. God bless you. Drop your this I don't really make you slave. Sorry, I have to block you. If you fat, they say you fat. If you know fat, they complain. Just drop your negative comments.
No, because the song is
I'm at your service to block you. My wife is okay. My wife is doing well. All right, most distinguished, honorable ladies and gentlemen, my name still remains yours sincerely, faithfully, in the person of Mr. St. Joseph Ezunwebuna. Jpac
tomorrow.
We are believers. God bless you. I block you. Just if you want me to block you, drop that your negative comment. My hand is itching me to block people, and I promise you, I will give you a block. God bless you. Based on what is trending now. You know, I have not said anything and I'm not here to reply anybody. But for the interest of some dignitaries, no, I'm blocking. Unless I did not see your comment. Once I see your negative comments, guy, is a very good step for me to block you immediately, because I know they are here to join the live broadcast with fake accounts. So once you drop that fake account, oh my goodness, I'm gonna block you. I'm not just blocking you, I'll block and report you.
I'll be dropping some points.
God bless you, George Okobi. Okay, now I never want to say anything. I never want to. When I'm okay to car on my platform, collect block. Ever Gigi, and I market product. Once you market your product, go and pay for advertisement. I never want to say anything, but even Jay made this video now. First of all, I want to apologize to my big organ. Kahare for taben and reply people. Kahare for taben and reply people because only anybody who say no one and too much of everything is bad, you know. And Adam can go. And after doing this live video today, I don't think I will do it again. I've never said anything.
You lied, because there are many more lists I'm about to list. You will keep coming to defend yourself. So today will never be the last. You can't say today will be my last. No, there are many more lists you devoured. There are many people that you destroy their lives. Say them now. And that will let the whole world manifest. So you cannot just say it's only one thing. There got more to come. You want to go? Almost 3 times a day, 4 times a day, and I should again. If I get on watching, now the nation can make you matter one day. No, I can't answer. I shall let keep Rogana or Zobro. After but I shall let Mother Umoko Reginelu no Sobro. And I try to look at.
But today, I will say my mind and I will say the way it is. You understand me?
Point to address tomorrow.
Go burial first before explanation. Don't worry, I'll go burial.
This is the same idiot that said, "Nah, love or Gaya Nah, no, they would take it, but he did not visit that burial." Okay, make we see you.
No, at the block. Sure. Unu mara una afuna na ihe a na-ekwu kita iwere ihe a na-ekwu na ya mara nke bụ eziokwu. Ka nkenego dị skibo dị etu o si wee pụta wee bịa mebe live video a na-ajụrụ ajụ. Even when drop na my WhatsApp, the main truth, the TS where can if Skibo did not ask any question. The intestinal Skibo also gave me live video to please his master, Akwa. Thank you very much for that wonderful betrayal. But even because today, I will not repeat it again. I don't want to get back to my vomit again. Thank you very much, Skibo Comedy. Nothing about also, but they made a live video. You don't even ask me. You have my number, everything. You have everything about me. Even when I tested you, I was the one that called you on phone, sent direct the video, saying nobody and I got online. He watched just saying thank you. Also, then online, Jpac talk too much. Jpac chat. You will please hear your master, your secret master, Akwa. God bless you. But remember, before you met Akwa, I gave you number to Akwa. They were the number Akwa.
You did not give Skibo Akwa number. In my people nature na Skibo won't be seen. Skibo is from Aba. Skibo Aba. So Skibo ma I could be for you. Skibo knows I could be for you. People nature na Skibo won't be so. Skibo Skibo jiri pakaramu ya wo alazum pise build your content. Skibo is from Abia State. Skibo toro na aba nwa aba ka obu akụ nwa aba. You did not give Skibo contact Akko. You are a bloody liar. Skibo ma could before you self. And I heard that you said that you even give me a number. What an irony of life. What an irony of life. Muna go towala. Gini me muna gije towa. Is it not because of Akko? Muna go towala before I met Akko. I was on carrying a pro. Anyway, can my people too much?
Skibo n'aka nye ya n'aka mgbe emere ga appreciate na video imere mụnwa were nọmba akụza ya nye gị eme ga appreciate nye gị 1 million naira ị chọrọ ka mụrụ bịa kwuo okwu mgbe emere ga appreciate nye gị 1 million naira ọ mụọ bụ Jpac were nọmba akụza ya nye gị eme ga appreciate with 1 million naira abụghị m ajọ mmadụ I know the talk church or that time ịghọta adọrọ m ekwu chọọ abụrụzi m nwoke ya bụrụ nwoke so mgbe m kọnetịrị gị emeghị appreciate nye gị 1 million naira mgbe ahụ abụ nwaanyị right abụrụ nwoke mgbe mụnwa bụ igbe ị bịara Abuja gị nwa bụ Skibo mma na-ewepụta everything one by one mgbe ị bịara Abuja gị nwa bụ Skibo mkpọrọ gị nwa n'aka jekwuru Seaman mgbe m kpọrọ gị jekwuru Seaman ị mara ebe Seaman
onye kpọ gị jekwuru Seaman who connected you to Seaman and Baby Ọkụ is it not Egbe Igbe ga-eru ebe ahụ were ashra scatter Egbe Igbe is it not Egbe Igbe that connect Chirima right here down. Look at Onye mother contact. The same Egbe Igbe that you destroyed in my hands. Egbe Igbe was the one who introduced you to Seaman. Egbe Igbe was the one who introduced you to Baby Ọkụ. Get way back with Joshua. Go Sahenine. Look at the idiot. I'm record. In fact, tomorrow show me too much.
Don't know him. It's obvious that the people I show love in this blue app are the one showing me the romance. I'm not surprised. The reason why I don't want to reply anybody these days, number one, Jpac go do national examination. Let me block you immediately.
I'm writing.
Thank God you show yourself. I block you.
Start the point.
Number one, Bona, I'm a married man. Number two.
Number one. Uonyoshi. Iwe married man. Gano nyeke hiti warning. Shenega baya saga after your wedding. Iwe married man. Ima ihe kante bekuterente on he married. You still went to your swimming pool 2 days ago. You were sagaring everybody. You were sit. Ima ya wuru na ihe no gitere gi na no gitere gi Jpac. E carry ba mi saga. If you don't scatter saga. If you don't saga. In on a wedding, nenye eke hit warning. He say no come to your wedding. Say you go scatter and look at it. Na koeri. Man ife biage biakuteregi. Ana musiki na kadi konyishi. Look at how ex-convict is dragging you. Oh yeah, come life. You say this, you don't talk. Mejono don't. Move like a baby puppy. Nelo na boy. Nelo na boy chana tum. Obika kezi Tom and Jerry. How about the Tom and Jerry? Shh, don't talk. Shh, talk. Look at. We got that puta. Kishi, ashin ena abazi saga. Ena abazi saga ga lu iti. Iti ya saga. Make they hear you.
I have families. I have siblings. I have orgadem. I have many people in the answerable to. That is why I have never replied anybody.
Gosh. Kere tomorrow, come up US in the happy.
Oh, Governor, please go back again and come back again, please. I'm trying to bring you on a similar error. Just log out and come back again. I can't keep silence anymore. I have a family. Who meets in Benna and Nahia, or Benna Jaya, you know, I see the B. You know, I see the B. When you not open mother, they face him boss. But I have respect for my wife. My wife pleaded to me never to go on the saga. But it's time for me to explain once and for all. And after that, I don't think I will go back again and explain such a thing. And then they explain, don't worry, I have to be mindful of my words because of my wife. I love her so much. Secondly, I have bosses in Doga, natural made mistake. Are you a Gabriel not? God bless you, bring it on. I block you. God bless you. My handwork tonight is to block and block and block and block. Thank you very much. Now, Skibo, I say thank you very much. A man from the day, a man need to do
this guy can corner for 0-10. He is a pure bloody liar. This man, Ebu Igbe is alive today. See man, they knew Ebu Igbe before this bastard. Oh man, Ebu Igbe ni mena na help Ebu Igbe. Ebu Igbe for let's get introduce this afoshi to see man. Anyway, tomorrow I will say many things. The same baby Oko. The same baby Oko. Ebu Igbe men only introduce to baby Oko. I knew baby Oko before this bastard. I'm introduced to Baby Oko. I knew Baby Oko before this bastard. Go and ask Ebu Igbe. How did I meet Baby Oko? When I was helping Ebu Igbe, Baby Oko had to reach out to me. But then I don't even so I didn't stop like a full grown ass man nigga but I know you connect him to Baby Oko. Baby Oko reach out to me. Now, Ebu Igbe, what him the help Ebu Igbe. By then, only am a bit only Baby Oko. By then, this is Dr. Barabapa inside Ebu Igbe. From Ebu Igbe, he met Baby Oko. Yeah, I got Basher, Basaram Basher, Basarezi, Ebu Igbe. Now, Baby Oko, I watch on me for one rich man. One we day in our Yobicon. Na people like a man in a royal commercial. Can ambassador ya? Onya has as far as he don't get you with a problem that he will never. That I'm a pabo. Now the person can't tell me later. He want to go. Now you beg inside. He go chat and say because to me one ambassador. All these people now you they go beg them. Anyway, tomorrow I go. Yeah, late. He have time to. He have time to. With this your cheap lie, you can't lie when I'm alive. And then he not lie you with only saga no brain. All part of me. And then I'm about saga shi. Him na about saga the truth too. Tam go get you want to go? So. All these lies and contacts. You did not give me any contact. Contacts and they're direct. Even people that are calling me, they're calling me direct without me knowing who they are. Every contact now that decided to secure me in Nigeria came with on this blue app on just name a live video. They took my case personal. I don't know who they are. I'm not going to just go, okay, maybe the ocular. So you telling me that you were a bloody liar. I knew Baby Oko before your bloody shit. Okay? So now they come, they cap, they lie, saying that you give me Baby Oko number. How weird? How weird? When did we start talking? When did we fucking start talking? I for spam would you name who the fuck is this guy that will put up a man that ring light? I know they wear ring light. I'm not here ring light. I own the name program. My I know I'm not here ring light. Here in the just normal lights. Idiot! I got the one card up na atwa. Jpac ima. Let me tell you. Ehuna nwe ewu ahu iji. Am kpọ nne ya. Nwe ewu ahu iji Ogechi kpọ nne ya. Ima na ịkọrọ many deep and deeper secrets. You know, I'm surprised he just on the wall na ki game explain. There are many people who can mesh na come down. Can me yesterday na come. I will be blowing the whole place. Everyone go there scatter. Sure, why is he comfortably telling you all of the no matter why? No matter why, I will play why to you right now. Yeah, listen. Let's go why. Can you get why? You get why now. Hold on. Come play reggae why. Why? Chima play reggae why. Which are my why? Just hold on. Listen to this video. By then, my brain go why you because brain get pushing. Where is this video? Wait. Chere. Let me go to my WhatsApp. Why is he comfortable telling me? We will figure it out now. Why? Where is that video? Okay, I got my why now. Wait. Oh, these people need to send their own video. Should I make my why? Should I? Oh, maybe YouTube should come forward or somebody that video. Oh, let me see. We are in my gallery again. On a video, me save. Yeah. Anyway, tomorrow. I know by tomorrow I will have everything in details. Okay. Why would he be comfortable? But more he cannot go straight. Yabana na because I'm battery yak. And ana jewelry. I want to show you that. Oh, maybe video no. Is that a video? Shit. Hey, this that send the Paramia. I didn't have time to save it. Anyway, I'll get it. But I'm not only sending me, but I'll get it on my WhatsApp. Anyway, I need to play your video. I need to get
on a phone. Even when you came back from Dubai, you didn't met them guy, you didn't met them gaga. Mporo the general office see man, Norana. Where I come up with Jpac, where your Ogasima say, sir, please, Tinyonya and endorsement line. These are the people now on the back. Matanakosa Kenya, Jack and the contact. Murakam contact because I negi. Oh, just comment what you want me to comment. I'm not going to block you straight to suppose, but no time. No time. Okay, God bless you. We are here. Let me try to add you back again. I hope. Oh, Chineke, may I have that? The first one, 1.5 million. Or come see man, we will go where maybe one plot of land. No better nature. Jpac abro amụ nwoke ya bụrụ nwoke amụ nwaanyị ya bụrụ nwaanyị abụrụzi mụ nwaanyị that time that I am good to you all the time you don't want to say the truth ife niile anyị na-eji market ya na I am the highest seller of Seaman Global where I am the highest seller 12 plots of land in 1 week Seaman gbakọ dị ego nye apart from the money endorsement nyem di ego bụ ibu nwere ego jecho ihe mmeme you mara onye bụ Seaman for the first time in your life you man dey meet Seaman mo we bịa na Abuja kpọrọ gị je n'ọfịs ye na ya na wee gbagere elu wee wute wee sign wee gbara gị flight all the flight na agbata all mo na agosi ma sị gbara gị flight enye gị millions of naira enye gị one plot of land no way. It was Jpac contact. It's time to defend Jpac. A potassium and working at Kucho. I didn't Kucho. Where did you contact? And millions of naira. Have I benefited 1 naira from you? The answer is no. Have I benefited 1 kobo? Only man on make content and blog is no more. I am the one many people contact. I am the one many people connection. People use my connection for granted, but today, they make we keep new if I go back or end it. Today, go end it. Let it be that my man I will form what is called hardened hearts. I will bring stone and put in my heart. Shut up, on the phone again, Jpac and guy block you. If it is not less, I block you immediately. Yep. Back. Don't worry, I'm coming. You will say something. After the issue of homosexual before the allegation, because who knows next? First now they lose away to allegation. Because this allegation, but they will be my name is Ankili but a lot of big men on my phone. Now some Jpac and came as a no was according all the suspicions. And I won't be mentioning names. Is best known to me.
You comment here again.
Oh, God bless you. Let me block you.
Comment here.
Just pinpoint them any single negative comment. Just pinpoint, I'll block it immediately. Comment. Immediately. I better be here. The only way Seaman system thank you all the contacts in all the contacts in the give us here. Even somebody will fabricate your lie. Name my shot, I'm not skippo. Well, start the child saying, I woke you from the sleep, saying, you didn't listen to my own voice note. You didn't listen to me. Also, we just made a video. Please, Zion. Please, Zion. Because I know directly you are working secretly with Zion. But it's not my business. You can do because it's just to work with whoever we want to work for. If you don't want to use it, keep your mouth shut. Don't talk. You must not just talk because you want to talk. That's because all the before it happened that no the next day the to tell you that the skip on something in plan. Okay, she blew the thing was going to repost to a Obi dog or you repost.
I will repost it because I just respected the way he approached me. When you have manner to talk to people, people will reciprocate with the same manner. Yes. You look at all these idiots that you gave money that did not listen or approach me humbly. You see the way I'm replying them? I humbled myself to respect Skibo because he addressed it, man. He addressed it in a manner that is well respected. You want to go? So you cannot tell me that all because of Ogechi will post. Yes, ought to also reciprocate with his peaceful and respectfully manner. That is what you call when you address people respectfully. Then I will do the same. Simple. If simple, simple. Open your dead cells that function in your brain. Open it so you will learn. No fucking body can stop here. Start to go and clean it. Start to go and clean it. I warned you before this thing gets to like this. That thing you're looking for. Come on, shut up. More hits are coming. Now, you know that everything is nothing but over 100 times 10 truths.
Man, thank God I built a trust. I have the client. No why. You can't bring me down.
It's not about bringing you down, it's about speaking the truth. It's not left for them to decide what to do with your life. It's not left for you, bringing you down, bringing you up. Stop using that words. You brought your own self down. You could have controlled your tongue. And when you bring it down, the truth must surely stand. All these things come on, shut up.
Simply is calm down. I still believe in you until tomorrow. Okay. We are brothers. I'm not angry. I know this is set up. If
Masima no tere goshio, mote hunu geshio, and small things. Yaru Masiba no kuga. I will review more. I will review more. If your gas man they support you, I go review more. I go scatter more. I go they bring out more because it's not about set up. Seaman cannot talk to console you because more things are coming. I just get calm. More things are coming. You said the Lord to start confessing to them because he said the Lord. Tomorrow, I drop one video on about Seaman. Tomorrow I will drop another one. I will drop another one. Seaman. You want to go? Video drop ya before another one. Everybody believe. I can your talk. You want to go? The truth must surely stand. The truth got put. In the morning, ma drop ya another one. Even before Malabura and ma drop one. Tomorrow, break your down this your nonsense video. I'm not calling. Come make sure nonsense.
Calm down. I know how you feel. This is set up. I still believe in you till tomorrow. We are brothers. He didn't make call. He come to us, Come. Although apart from Governor who has been by my side 24 hours, you Governor may go no one made you apart from Governor could only see again. Not Jpac that now we out of the make no one. Now also some more. But I want just more contact make it in me. Maria come advert into a came advert was go send nothing because all the ego major is can kill Yobana or Yobana not do okay. Yobana do okay. Over the Zuki and they are aware of what I'm saying. Not Jpac okay from Jpac Homo. I brought one more again not than any business. Who is that? The only girl I know before other paramount na abu when no one ya na no buju and every travel
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Jpac, what did you say? Jpac, what did you say? Abali abaka. Obuni nebuehi. Anyway, tomorrow can gas so poor. Let's continue.
And the agenda that the whole estate I agenda the video not there. Every minute women not there. Hearing not there. Even when last year Easter, I said, I'm going to go wine. Come go where they make a bank or some good come and go on my tango. All the traveling there, so flight.
No, I'm a go shigi video. Ojiga bunye mmanya na nke uju ha. Akwashi n'uju raju. Akwashi n'uju. Onye agaraga bunye mmanya deceive man nke uju. In fact, tomorrow, let me jot it down. Notion. Did I hear? Eh? Oh, again. What did he say?
Tabaraba. She everything you saw that so case ya skip you know. You know pay for money ever. I don't been to achawo. Only person I
Chere, Jpac, what did you tell me about that I should not first lady Kogini Kenya boy and can gonna me Chinedu Dike. Kenya boy. Are you not the same person that told me that now the lady na first Ogechi lawyer needs in a gala na young bonyo to ya dry than that lady? I don't care whether she come to defend like I hope I'm getting on a dinner maromo, but that's what you told me. So how is that is those only Uju while you told me now you again that lady in Ghana check out on abortion and a traveling agency called. You told me that all to delay dry lana would hana no trying not dry no every time delay than up okay nagama kishe discharge ya nagelo wire no ship on your popunu. Are you not the one that open mouth and tell me what to get dry ya? I got my back to Mohoron. Boss lady. Bem.
My ex-girlfriend. My ex-girlfriend came out.
2 p.m.
I get in marketing. Also, Kabia. We was in a woman if for woman and abo. Now, by ex.
I a video. Akwa made something. And one lady did short over evil. Hakagene. Yawa shower Jpac Bogana and Akwa. Because that day, Hagara. Oboromo. Masha here, what the girl always choices as here just one of the side chick. He got a video every one time mega mammy ha pamege. A man that's in a panic. One lady named so Jpac and Asun. Here wa put up or be that day place that day. A man me chetrea. And when one thing a pamere. And when one thing in our family that time between nke Bishop also Bremecha or she from also prepare that thing or was that one before so when we have family and when one short lady hack again so yazona carry my boy she Jpac I would let them you my money first lady will my be the money the anna first lady just here one of the girls na ya one that day he got check a video we got that girl all short. One shot girl over a buruma burunala. Even friends, Jpac na-aga to their place. Oshi enwe gewu ndị Jpac na-ebu ndị Jpac na-ebu ihe m na-agba gị ọ nọ na ihe m na-ekwu today. Jpac na-ebu all manner of ashawo anywhere ọ gara ije. All manner of happen anyway tomorrow. Jpac wa abalị agba aka ọ maka ọnwaanyị ihe ọlụrụ na ka ọ ga-eji kwụsị ọ dịsa apụ na ya na ya mkpọkọ abalị agba aka oji nwaanyị eme ọwụ mgbe a ga-enye ya contract ka ọ na-asa ike ya for contract but pleasure ya afọ ịra ụkpụ so for those of you say asị na na-agba pressure ya wụ fụ ịra ụkpụ but contract and the connection I need on a bit bentanike and collect differentiate the two. I know what I'm saying. I'm not crazy. I am not fucking crazy. If you want these idiots to be maneuvering you, I stand on the truth. I'm gonna put no bag. Will close it with any fucking threats. Lie. What I go? Some of these things are about Ebukobi. When he was Ebukobi na my personal war with Jpac, and when he was Sarah ex-convict to start calling that name, what have that got to do with the saga we are doing? Why are you guys bringing distractions? If I may ask Salo, yeah, this is personal saga between me and Unu. Why are you guys bringing Ebukobi, bringing him back, bringing everybody? It will never stop. Eba unu na gaga walk. I'm with a connection in the car. And I'm not connect on ya. And I connect ya na nkete. In a wanted those connection for free. Or not get content creators on na east. Who be mugu? Who you want chop mugu? Shop una barizila. Tomorrow, y'all 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. It depends on the time I wake up. But these two times, Cherem, let me listen.
I can make fiance. Push the video in Snapchat. All the booklets that day. Because of a mere human being. A mere human being.
Please, don't be offended. Like as I always said to you inbox, I had wanted you to be calm, but at some points, some of us need to shut up.
Calmness here. It has been here 1 month and now. In China, Jpac come. At wedding, Jpac come. Come till when? Come till when? Please don't go to this my life. You go feel and not disappointed the way you have to hear because now I don't want me but I have I have in-laws. My wife is from Umri, and Umri, a very notable Obe. My wife did not come from a man.
But your wife came from Ashawo. A woman has on that, but Hana produce Ashawo. Hana produce prostitute and a picking a club. Hana produce onion about Odwana na top fan. You boy a private Gabaragoto. That is what Urine prove. Hana provide Ndara, the Camo, Eprema Umonyara. But your wife for Hana produce prostitutes. That none on a club and that is what your wife family they produce. They produce empty brain, they produce empty skull. I'm a farmer, but they produce a shower prostitute that you pick in a club. Why haven't you come and tell us a bit picking one again? And I produce anyway here tomorrow. I told me again that mean tomorrow Gabia release in the Baramo. Tomorrow I go release another video post so yeah. The truth must surely keep on coming. The truth, I will keep saying it. Tomorrow may release your list. Ihe gbapụrụ m ịma na akọchabe m story ike onye nwụrụ anwụ ajọsụrụ m kwuo a na-eti ịma na ebechabe m ukwu ebe ahụ ajọsụrụ m wega shima wega mma akụma Ogechi ozuole ịma na ebechabe m ukwu ebe ahụ Ogechi zukwanike zike more stories that is the meaning more horrific and horrific and horrific and horrific and horrific and kosoro ya coming. Amusu. Ge ko chambiri na bage imana m jige na kampuru amu. Idiot. Ibia one thing about Ibia geje onye azoro uto na onye. Geje onye azoro uto na onye. Look at Amusu biga me ego. Chena ya kochana m other people. Na m ge because of it me binye ego. Tomorrow, just so.
A bad family. Ije Jewish and Agukum, the Jewish family to my wife or family ama, so I respect them. That's why I did not come online all this while. I have a family, I have a father, I have siblings. I'm not stubborn to the extent that I cannot listen to advice. I know many people say, Jpac, calm down. But this time around, I don't have to calm down anymore. I have to come up. That's you don't feel about the come back blocking us, unless I know see you straight away. And I'm in bed with this not eat it. Am I in my house? Now, issue of Asigomosi, Komana say, come and show you your nash. Come and show. Man, I don't know because again, now the wedding. I did not marry your type. Only present him can no and only not constitute you na Desi Empire. Desi Empire na constitute all those things. No one say can no anurozeme. Is it by force? Now me and you go.
Jpac, please. Jpac, please do me a favor. Block this Amaka Stella Marine. Also, but your wife they do hook up in Abuja. Please, block her for me.
Amaka.
Amaka Stella Marine. Amaka Stella Marine.
Reply good day. Can pop up?
Wait. Let me report. Let me help you report.
Just. Okay, Amaka Stella Marine. I have to go, man. I have to go to the SG.
Tomorrow, 1 p.m. Nigerian time.
Yes, I reported her before you blocked her.
Chefolando gwaram de big man ya buchogu buga no lo ha. O chefole. Na ya boro bu tani ihe agbatara na okwu ego. Na sacrifice.
Block you.
Na sacrifice
family and your father.
Madu. Na the
all right. One of the most stalked person on the internet.
If I did not your favorites. I blocked Stella Maris. I blocked her. The man know your Stella. Your base getting come out.
Hello.
Nwanne nwanyị.
Ndewo sa oke kwan.
Ọ dị mma nwanne nwanyị ke ka imerụ.
Ọ dị mma.
Esi m na Nnewi akpọ.
Okay.
Afọ m ife na-eme na ọkụ nwanne nwanyị ka mbụ nwanne nwoke ka mbụ.
Okay, which part of Nnewi?
Anyị wotoro n'ebe m.
Okay.
Ọ ka nsị nwanne m nwanyị butunata nwanne m o. Afọrọ m ife. Afọrọ m ihe na.
Okay.
Afọrọ m na ka anyị kwacha senator ka anyị wee mara ife anyị na-eme.
Okay, my brother. Kemgbe ya akwa ya?
Echi ka a na-akwa senator.
Okay. No problem. Okay. No problem.
But can now you go for now.
Okay. Okay.
Biko.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dalo.
All right, Daloka. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, okay, shall be following you all this while, but I don't know how to put my mouth on this thing. So, Biko, one name, I'm Biko, and this is Biko, or Biko too much. Biko, and I yo, Biko.
No, I took them and she put in a video.
Biko.
Tomorrow, Gary, hotter than ever. He lied against me. Now this video, Papa, I know they like how they judge things.
No.
Judge the things.
Okay.
People told me to be calm. I calmed. I did not say more. But tomorrow, I can review half for two.
Okay, she get
because this guy cannot come out here be lying and lying like a son of a nobody.
Biko, I na assassin on your assassin.
No, because we are addressing the public.
No, Biko.
My brother, they talk. I want to cause this problem. Because they're born out with
one day, Biko, I didn't tell you Igbo. One neck I show.
Program. So look how they do these things. I don't like it. I like it.
Sister Oge, can you hear me? If from on
I want to take out one friend.
Good evening, sir. I gave you Okugina life Jpac. So I'm so happy to you because ya na-ekwu biko ka amaka isi wee menye ọkụ ya biko.
Rapụ mana oge bụ onye nke m rapụ ihe ọ na-ekpe isi ya. Oge ị mana ọ bụrụ m nwaanyị ọma. Ana m abịakwa Chicago na February.
Bịawa biko bịawa. But aga m anọ Nigeria mgbe aha na.
Ngwagwa m mgbe ị ga-anọ ka m change my movement.
Mgbe m ga-alọta nụ because I'm anọ 3 months na Nigeria.
Okay.
Yeah,
I get pushing on WhatsApp later, but you remember we had an agreement.
Reverend, in which an agreement here that rubbish. What ago? You can have agreement video to be lying.
Can you wait?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Your brother on this broadcast, comment on Ian Kuluna his live video. And I don't fear anybody. And I'm actually and you know me very well.
Yes, sir.
See, cool down. One in no
I got no more, Reverend. They will hear more.
Okay.
Because see, Reverend, I'm sorry, sir. I didn't mean to cut you. Sorry, sir. Please.
Okay.
This guy, and the mother because by then I had been busy. Only look according to what they said. You all to share a lot to hear. Oh, no, you didn't to Kana to get that sister. Oh, when you ram can a bubo. So, okay, Pue, sir. Sorry, Pue.
BP, what this guy now? You got it happy.
Which BP? This hadn't criminal. Criminals on Jpac, nothing is wrong with him. He's okay. He's okay. He's a warrior. Have you forgotten that he's a warrior? He's a warrior.
The issue is that the whole world have heard you.
Onye ka na-ekwu na
Ụwa niile
ndị mmadụ
anụ n'olu.
onye ọbụla anụchago okwu gị anụchago ya complain
Ọ bụkwa na igero nke nwanne gị nwoke na-ekwu.
Cool.
I know you. You don't say no to me. Now.
Yes, sir.
I want you to please be coming down.
Yes, sir.
You coming down little until okay.
Become yeah.
Coming down little.
What they did with your father's picture and whatever, I am against it.
Forgive.
I can't support it. I cannot support it. I cannot support it.
Until
but
okay. Forgive is your okay because that is your too.
Now, for the sake of, if not for the sake of,
good morning.
Because Sister Oge, hundreds of people are on a phone. Yogi, I know. You cannot disrespect everybody now. You are a human being, and tomorrow day, kwa.
Because I can't go to Nanke because
you've tried. Listen to your people. We are your people.
For peace, do
you know? Now, listen, I can
hear them. I will go.
Nkịta na-ata mmadụ nwere onye na-enye egbu ya aka n'onu na-eruchi ya aka n'onu ọ na-apịa ọdụ ya oge na wa for you. Emejọgo gị, emejọ papa gị. Ọ bụgodị na emejọrọ gị nwee emejọ papa gị. But
okay, calm down, please. Biko.
Adam liberal, evangelist Ebuka be the reserved. Man ni na ma bu the same thing. Muwadi liberal, I can come out to talk on the internet. Ebukobi cannot do what I am doing now, you know. But because of nature, why can't you listen to us? Why can't you listen to people like us?
Because okay,
do you think we are against you? We are not against you. We are your people. But let's try to try wrapping this thing off. Ogaba goes it too much. Okay, Biniena.
Okay.
Why am I?
Biko, Anna, you obla, you Biko.
Kalesia.
I'm not but Biko, I now that's not like that. You need to to a
sister. Okay, good morning.
Never I could do like that. If life we are made.
My afambo chemeze esimu amoya abana.
Mwa nugu Jude.
Okay, one them keki.
How come a content creator as a big?
Okay.
So
Auntie onwe henchi gwagi. Ihe a niile na-emekịta na onye ọbụla na-afịa but destiny chi eme tomorrow n'uche nke m achọrọ m ihe oge biko ịma na onwe innocent ones oge eme implicate
yes
iwe ụta kịta na isi kwugbuo ya ndị mmadụ amago na ya nwa bụ Jpac abụrụ ezigbo mmadụ like ọ bụ onye ọbụla ya na-emeke ya kịta ga-amazi ka si emekọ ya yotago so big for the sake of ndị anwa oge eme implicate just to chefu eme as in just to nefuli anya onye anwa from day one before self this saga wee bido o nwere ka si afụta onye ahụ nwere anything mbụ na social media platform board o nwere bụ mbụ na mbịa across video or picture sin na ke ponye bija nya o nwere bụ na nwego natural hatred ebe so biko onye na maro ihe na-eme ya and yem na yolo for the sake of ndị that thing ga-eme implicate o ka nji na ayo on behalf of them ọ bụrụ maka yanwa bụ iwọchi ya ka o si emekwudi market efu na onye nke a mụrụ na magazin na elili so biko anti butu
Now, let me say something. Let me say something before I go. Sister Oge, are you there?
I'm mani nekusa.
Ngwagenti. This broadcast, I don't know them from anywhere. But just can you reason? Everybody is saying the same thing, and 75% or 80% of your viewers get the same view. If you allow everybody to talk, you will see that so many people will tell you the same thing. And you are doing this thing for us. We are the people you are talking to. And the people you are talking to are telling you to please be coming down. Consider this. You know,
Okay, she be
I will always stand by you.
that life is showing me tomorrow. Forget about all these things.
No, excuse me, sir. Omega do live tomorrow. You can allow her to do the live video tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because Ogechi, I know. Ihe osokwa gị kwuo oge me live her tomorrow. Mana ama m na ikekwa o mechazie live her tomorrow. Ebe o prepare go mind there for it. Or considers here ihe her lovers, her viewers, her followers. And I know she will not just ignore us. I am a person that I know Ogechi respects, and she know I respect her because respect is reciprocal. She cannot continue with this. Sister Ogechi cannot continue with this. And she knows that it will be wrong for us, do her lovers, to get fed up with the whole thing. Sister, let me go and sleep.
Okay, sir.
God bless you.
So, okay, she be your kind of forget
buto na ọkwa na asị na onye na-akụtara ogodo ekotelia. So biko ndị Igbo na-ada asị na adịrị bụ ahịala. So onwere onye na-amabeli ihe, onwere onye nọ na soshal midia na Facebook na-amabe ma nke bụ eziokwu ma nke bụ asị. Eziokwu. So ya mebe ihe ọ na-eme mbọsị oge elidie nke oge elidie.
ya na-ekwu okwu ewe okwu dapịa ya na ya osi Ogechi biko biko anti oge biko forget ihe gbasara ime life just mewagala onwe life ị ga-ekwu Jpac ntị eno ka ọ sị na ọmazi apụtabịa reply for anything. So ka esi otu agbanye ọkụ all these things just ịmalizie ụzọ nọ ndị na-ekwu mezie just calm down and forget all this. All go too much now. Biko. Na-akpọ na enwe ike na imese that life now. Di na nwunye anyị akpọke afọ ebido pịawa ọkpọ n'ụlọ. Owucha all these things. Ịghọta biko. Asịkwa na ka ogbugbu ya. Imego ka ya eme. Calm down ka udo chiwazia. Enwe other things ekwesịghị iface na-ekwuche. Biko. Biko, na forget if our life be at mekwe more. Okay, give me the mate to go okay.
Okay, one more.
Ana yo life.
Almani ne kusan.
Bale na anyị nwande nọ na village na-afọ ife ọ na-ewute anyị bịa wụrụ ụmụnne. Ọ na-ewutekwa na anyị because ife a na-eme otu a ọ na-ewute anyị ka anyị na-anọ anyị kụrụ onye anyị eje anyị ji egbu oge ka anyị bịa mego.
Ihe dị n'aka ekwesịghị iji anya na-ekwu okwu maka mmadụ anya adịrọ mma abịaza na-ekwuzi chanelụzie all the energy n'ihe nwere isi na ọdụ. Forget is okay biko.
Okay. Come listen China. Thank you.
Of Igbo ka anyị chawo biko. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Come continue now. Listen, you open up.
Oh, now look at them. I'm your favorite. If you went, just get by my WhatsApp, I'm getting a message. You should be a my boss. I feel awful.
I used to remember or block where then does the empire more Giacomo, put that comes and make the left, right, as I am WH no Noka. WH, him and Abram when you cool gaga, Jpac, I want to say the Jpac talk too much. But majority, and a level of majority of money to rule, mother apples of certain things. Because when I got people will not trust me again. People gonna say, nah, I don't think me and Jpac will do something again. So when you have a boom, me on who, how many they here? Just now a corrugate lie. They corrugate lie. Chef said I'm one of the best smart guy. Not no, if you was your now case everything you my now my desi empire my cause I know everybody got also because of what they say with their mouth.
Jpac. It's not because of this in Ikuru. I'm a toga gige that thing. More I'm not with you because I came for revenge. Anytime all I'm not with you, I don't speak what I cannot represent. Because even people, beware of this guy. That was why you trusted all your information to me. And your legal fabricating now is fabricating. Amami the empire go. Amami ho me prekowara go. I am smarter than the nigga. You see why? Nah, boom, why? You see why I'm proud challenging you? Because I know I didn't tell you fucking shit. You don't know shit about me. You don't know no fucking shit about me. I nailed you. Even more than I careful with you. Akoshi na mkona mwaba. More personally now to be aware of your evil, that you are hardly to be trusted. That is why she's panicking. I don't know. But for me, nigga, bring it the fuck on. Bring it the fuck on, because I know you are not meant to be trusted. Do anybody, me? You cannot beat me in this game. Like he beat your money here, but because I'm a lot of enemies. I know those that pretend to be close to me. I'm a China problem to why so. Joe, why I am like nobody can defeat me. Because you cannot see me play any fucked up thing that will increment me. Because I'm the word I know monster word. You want to go? So you can't beat me in this source of game. And I'm not talking about my family, and I'm not talking about dim. I'll get Ogechi dim, but she gone on. That's it. I choose my works. I'm even I'm gonna get and make a crop people one again. Because this is how much you confided in me. Because you wanted me to borrow you money for business. So you got to sell people to get the money. You were a useless human being. You wanted me to borrow you a huge amount of money. And with interest. You want to go? So I know that all these things you're telling is for me to trust you. You got to sell people to gain something. That is who you've been. And I know you very well. I'm Golfuma. That is why you came out. That video, that was the video I was looking for. Somebody resent to me. That was why you came out and say, oh yeah man, I could get him because nam punyana akuego. Now nam punyana akuego. Akwa the same money cho kam punyegi. Is it not the same money cho kam punyegi je telegram all your fucked up life story? Mande gina hande korihe mandi putere ogwu mande ha ipuru aga na nka akwa agbochara go ogwu ge puru ya ka ha je eji nna ma sacrifice na mmadu ebute nneponu. If I open my mouth, this word can attack. Hey. Oh, Jpac. I feel like I'm scattered one, you know. Don't allow me to scatter everywhere. Because waga, anyway, when I am the saga to give Brian comment, they are my saga members. We've been in saga. They couldn't. They are. They are local saga. Don't have their time. You are the. I will fuck your life up. So you make you a demon. That is who you are. Imagine you should again contact baby Oko. Imagine a riffraff. Imagine a tout. Ask baby. I don't know any baby Oko the number. Joe baby Oko how he met me. True. Help me nyegbe. Na mo ario gidere God. Imagine idiot and I dey put remote no contact. I could tell my work in the morning. I'll call you in the morning, jogging. I don't know why this idiot lies like a pit of shit. And some people will tell me to leave you. The only thing that will save me and you see, I will not disrespect anybody when they are talking. I will be calm and listen. Hey, oh, I will destroy you. Nothing but the truth. I got to get a gash. But the truth, you know, I will not do it. Tomorrow, 2 p.m. I got my woga. Hey, somebody called me. My woga. Next time, you will not lie. A man to ask. Can't lie. You know,
because of what they say.
hello?
Hello,
Ndewo.
Keke
Adi masaka igwan.
Ade macho mi ku mba reverend na ekwu ka ngwa ya nti ono ni ya na okwezi nweke tite ka nkwenye nchori ku.
Ya kuwe.
Ihe m chọrọ itinye ya na ekwu na I may follow Facebook always all the time. You understand? And most of things in area I may follow up. But the truth is this issue now.
Don't come here. What's going on?
The issue is that this particular issue now now.
Well, what are you looking for? Yeah, kuwe.
Yeah. But if you remember, I am one hit around table. Only on the webby base major. Then I'm a base about the base about because you somebody who I know sometimes you know watch the guy. I'm not.
Only underground. Only can I underground.
Okay, you see behave like that. You have to this particular issue now. I'm fully I'm a free video on the mail now. April with Yako. People talk like.
What this guy war for no reason.
Listen very carefully. I'm because I'm not going to shoot you and down. I call right to other. Then where me who Gamaka is here as far as I am only change because if I'm mad, me or you change. You want to go. So it also work. That was never friend when so. You put every day now talk to that this month. I'm a pro dot your money. Or they are called that feel their respond about to Zion. See from Zion, which is very bad. Which is very bad. People talk 100 days. They could be almost and then there's another kind of yap, but now for the children, would be worse. I can't money is here behave like one amount of copy. Why Mother Viti Simple Punu, one of whom will Peter Hart, a woman never.
Thank you.
It didn't was not the piece off and now for that guy in the UN. For your man, must talk to him or broken work is here. He's in a gap and your ex girlfriend. Now, she made you care for what? A girl, him on good marry her job. He took a dad to put you in the so the buyer can say so for me before any other thing I support of care barrier for my so one guy is about better anything call and want to order. Opium will average Bobby. You understand? Each day to copy now talk down to
you want to go out audio billionaire. Because that is here no more police case now. That is your come water. Une were see ya ase.
I'm not watch that young guy.
Because it's about the whole thing is about to be reopened. You know?
Yeah, it's very bad.
You guys keep poking him. What I can't no way out. Because of phone onye na aba ya okwu.
From Zion to Zion, from Zion to Kuma, from Kuma to Ebukobi. Ofoni every day. More sometimes or how they have that guy in the about
those hungry idiot on how can I connect them their position
by the ministry for a long time. Always
well, my brother, my ball, I know. Only feel that Ibe mega more than of madam. He feel that Tonya who were threatened. And when you see why I don't join anywhere, I just do my thing. They do what I like.
Yeah. Yesterday, one day, Madonna, that guy and Jpac, the most dangerous plugin when I need. Yana Bonison, two of them, very deadly. Only one and a half of Yamana.
This one, Jackie, what are you looking for?
It's very, very deadly. When man don't wake up forgive money from Zion to Ebukobi every blessed day. Nto can do beautiful. We're not going to put in the ground. I'm on the basis. But everything that we need in Kumakawa. On your go sitting with bad mind, you will open your if you want to keep going, you will get support. So I do very bad. So how I call them to order before you know that. Then myself, the any dagger, face your life, your fast, you go on party, your body and them because you want that for them, you want to go humble now. If you want not to go humble, you know the no choice, on corner will be working coach, a panic is any better. You want to go humble, spiritual, physical, spiritual, want to go humble now. Because in the end up before you open more for now. Like one night, okay, I wish you go to his whoop after the whoop after and because it is enough and because on God can now you do. I tell you more when you reach the cow or if the new or so fear can tell. You know, so the one night work I do because whoop good after and because I will go down. I will pull my hair, but I will not mention his name, but I have to say it's the way Ogechi Okeke enough because God can now you seek him. But the Jpac I speak before come be better. He about them no be your question men. I mean your question but one can learn example. Because that guy will be happy and on your Timon, on the ground, top and do you know the new strategy now? Oh, give a Ogechi war now. You will not get her because he won't anything against me. Now let's channel it a bone like a cap. Oh man, I'm like a Akwa. Now that is why did you to an ex-convict, did you to Igbo seller tomorrow make out him game exactly. Look at the style of Haji. Yes. Because they put out there now. The one day cool down now. Do that testing. And can invite you. What have that got to do with this? What that thing to do with this? Yeah, personal data with me and them. So calling daddy, you are the one even calling daddy for no reason. How just but they don't know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. They want to draw attention there. Exactly. Now they thought my brother, him at the first thing in Haplan, only capital, many, but I'm ready for them. I was facing them. How many this one not go work? They say, okay, maybe we use this direction. Secondly, even at the one point they make they're not making no point because they yeah, 1 point. I'm there follow Facebook. I'm on 24 hours on Facebook. So I came on 1 point. They don't have any point. Just I need to come on here. Make sure I thought actually make sure now. Bossy here now. Bossy so on onye bịazi ọkọ ghere ihe sọrọ ya na mkpụrụ onwe. But the truth of the matter na nsi nye Jpac advice for now ya mechie ọnụ. Then o mechie ọnụ okwenkwa na ụmụ ihe niile ọ na-ezuzu before na ya na-ezuzuzi ya. You understand? Enwe ihe apology o kwesịrị ime o merụ ihe ịgbaghara ya onye ọ na-emove on. Ya nwa ndị face your life ya direct. Achọkwa m ịnụ Ebuka sịkwa ya Zion ọsịkwa.
Ọwụ Akwa sịkwa ya ọ ya kpọrọ ya indirect. Ọ escort it apụta sịkwa aka emena ga-emena. They're not gonna get peace, oh. They're not gonna get peace.
They won't stop it.
They're not gonna get peace. Ebuka Ashilagi, Akwa Ashilagi, you're not gonna have peace.
Oh, the very bad. I'm watch program, so I never found a woman. And second in case this girl with you first lady, maybe now I treat the girl. What I want you marry her.
That one, see, I'm even blaming that one. I'm blaming her. You know why? Because if she come out to let go, only prula mania that will she did get. I have the videos.
The guy will rob your job.
Very demonic idiot.
Yeah, will rob your job. You can kill someone, rob your job with Jpac. Yes, then I can't no man or evil mind.
Only one evil soul.
They say with their mouths.
Rob your job. That is true. Rob your job. Let's say this. So name the people Bagaria, better try Bagaria. I made the need for. Traditional such a thing I am again. You understand? No, yeah, I made the normal take.
I'm actually in our daddy and my personal issue with you. Why?
Yeah, at very bad. Yeah.
What are you calling? In my article before, how the Bible put the old video? That one no work.
Yeah, work, yeah.
That one no work. My Jpac appear. Now, how about you another strategy now? And I never see anything. Only about that.
Oh, just yeah, go and I had to go confused.
Oh my God, that did it too. All it too good. Oh my problem. Oh you for good. Oh my God, that man is over good.
Minus that, only on a challenge to stage in a life. Now for 4 to the Bucano. Now, 4 to Onyana, I want I can never matter.
For goodness, yeah, means
Onyana put the whole one. Onya, Yana person when he did and a half. Upon the life that young man they live. Still, Jpac every day, 100 days, 100. Okay, help us around 100 days.
Every day, 100 days. The most wicked people. After 100 days, they are evil, they are demon. Why are you calling these people that you left? Ex-convict Shebochi, that deflected you, that deflected idiot, that Chineke Pukono. I'm gonna do. Nami do now.
Cool down because just want to better. And the full high the man, only on an age of the guy who average boom at the better. I have one night, but he only did call to order. Come on, I met you now, they would have known them, but I met if we have to put when Pasagona to get it. Don't need to anything. Akwa getting one that or Basaho.
Nando can hang up your dog. She with the poison. She with the poison. What kind of a demon is this?
The guy average book, put this one. How about the 2 deadly?
Very deadly, evil set of people. And they expect me to shut up. I will destroy their destiny. And then I go Facebook. And then I endorsement. And then I take us. I don't give a fuck. I don't need to now.
Very deadly. Ever case here and then you're not going to die. Man, very deadly. What very deadly. Every day they make it. Only you may be the ones you move on. Every day. Which means
I could not move on. Can't you go? Can't you leave him alone?
It's okay,
my brother. Thank you for calling. I appreciate you. Thank you. Right. Thank you, my brother. All right, brother. Who is this one?
Biko omusenda ka number nkicho na eto prego pure water kai we go na here. We stand for you go amakwara. I want to update na message eba. We stand for you. We stand for you for Facebook now. We are your fans. Naina edorimono. Top go rego meri over 10,000. Ego meri ka e wo ngomri.
Go we won't do it.
Obugodo my Facebook account. Let me give you, make it set up for me and motivate me for there.
Na ndeka jikwa Jesu ri kana akwa da tara and ebony they give am back.
Say with their mouths. So na gina mad dey so governor eziokwu. Unu say it's a form of Ogechi.
Yes.
It's a form of Ogechi. If Amara the very wise. Amara the very, very wise. O sere okwu se fokwa nke ya gbofu n'ụzọ ofere maka nsekwara ya aka because onwe ya mwe ya mgbe chọrọ ime wedding ọ kpọrọ na phone sim ka mere isi ya achọrọ m juice mmadụ na-eso so fọ maka echi isi na ije na-akọrọwa niile na Jpac bụ Models Road Jpac bụ anywhere they don't want to be with Jpac mana ị na-ana Jpac 100,000 every month enye gị ego nara ego. The same day Empire see all the way from Austria, flight but those who all go to Jpac get you the Empire. Every JB, my life, every JB, my life, and I promote you.
God. Hey, me here with only do that. Daisy, don't see your life. And Daisy has never uttered a word though. Daisy has why are you facing Daisy? Face me. Because Imrana Muna game with anything that you can even open. Who is that? Who is that? Oh. We
need to look for other class code. You can't leave that code.
Oh, and I didn't go man. No man can make it. Uno non ganna man go do mana coat ya.
What's the word?
No, men ba je na beke gamman. Can again? Because I'm going to do mother to get them.
You know, so many follow this person. After every because that if you na maybe na Jpac they can also him na your line. You wait a cook story.
I'm on live.
Then Jpac go 24 hours for years. If we don't know for 5 good years. Okay, get it look all ya okay, kita aneme we keep it now. Before then, even before then, he got to gate 1, 2, 3, 4. He got to gate 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 250 million Nigerians. We don't know this smooth and fresh. We don't know this smooth and fresh. Mobile gave my problem. I wasn't know what was here into or was Jpac careful. Do you think
Jpac, there was a day you made video with Oga. You was comfortably showing videos with Oga. You was busy. You are talking out of point. You're not even making points. The same Oga ki with a live program. Oh my God, each video because of his, people share mix. The same Oga ki put a made video, live video, name interview. Now the same palo ya. Kena. I got one gate. How many gates? You got those gates before you came into that parlor. Only banana parlor or in a room. Only banana parlor or in a room. If you can be able to go for that gate of heaven, gate of hell, gate of tabernacle, go all these gates, go na parlor. So the gate of a room that you will not enter. Look at how you're disgracing yourself. You're not even making a point. You're talking out of order. The good condition. Because beyond Nigeria, and what boy now the fresh. Yeah, I'm a castle major man aside. Ewepuya. Iburuti man ebu. East scatter. And my people say, why you call it on young? I'm coming from the dindo. I'm coming. Funded into Apamianaka or Wofone Kokoro. I just released the one. Why did he call this? Why didn't you colonia? Why didn't you colonia? Who loan found? The record to many. I get bito nga coach the bito na Korea Jema. You couldn't even defend yourself.
I don't know about how many DSS he have? Be Inspector General of Police, nebe IG, nebe Yagap Woody, and how many DSS are
so which Palo came to make video that day? Which I want to hold that video. I don't want to bring it out. That video open. Trouble. So which place can you for inside that place? Eh? I want to hold that video. Can somebody go back to my page and share that video? I told me they have to map over Unya, this man can lie. He can lie.
Before it be able to call protocol 1, protocol 2, protocol 3. He didn't know that Jpac didn't know that the protocol need. Whoever said no, whoever said no, somebody some useless people are not here. I don't blame the person who made the video. We don't blame Robonian here.
Oh, so you don't want them to share Kewejoku. In a blame share. And I'm blaming the idiots too that believe in you. They're even wasting your time believing in you or not. Hey, anyway, I would go to the tomorrow.
I was so stupid and so low that now I will pick up my phone to tell them my phone what am I discussing?
Hey. When you got one phone, the same person you they call, they ask about whether to collect car or not. The same person in a current bag, the same person in a kori mogi, the same person in a current bag, a kori mogi, a porasha wogako, gapor gako, a organic nishi kebendana bulagi, you cut you. How many missed calls? None on my record. Anyway, tomorrow I will screenshot the missed call and post it here. Look with the listen.
What am I discussing with the person? Even you come or everything going to be done. The only thing I can call, only person who hears more, at least now I'm always 70%. Book or my wife, second person book of the Lezoku. Which day? My wife, second person book of the Lezoku.
Which day, Kellerwan, if I may ask you? Which day, Kellerwan? This matter. Which day where you marry Jpac? Which day you can't carry your wife come entire house?
So no, yeah. Why did you know? Why did it or broom no? Get now, got a chain and I got it or broom no. Now, I don't know. Now, I didn't investigate one in a phone call, right? So I didn't a phone call. Just a phone, and I didn't a phone call. But me with a problem today. call somebody can have a phone or pick a call. No, control low situation on the ground on phone or one on a Jpac than I want to. Cool when they done apertures. When they go not say about me about the where they go on to the name of my unuga wear comfortably. When get to wage, when get to no blockage. I was see I knows my ground to the unuga wear comfortably. I wear comfortably. If I'm so stupid and so mad, I want to take that. Nah, when I wear some, 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 when I can only pick a color, or you decide me and name. When I wear some, when I wear serum. Here at Tobuka. Governors of look at, or maybe I case where there's a problem. Okay, now, maybe has a bill. If we can move a flight, see how the way for Port Harcourt to be. Before now, they courage my phone. Just courage my phone then.
Mbake Onyemere.
Mba, there's a problem. Mba, he better station. Courage my phone as a call. Would you to my phone? And I for trust. And I for trust. Anyway, this my phone. New junior password. See, I'm the pay phone now. With the number. Snap. So if I know, but I ain't save number. The same would you now got it from all angle. All got a platform I got it. They will disgrace her very soon. Age you do not. I get or he could down. Case about you know or didn't somewhere. Now come one in Dodger. I got Lenny. Who you come with the phone near my password. Where the number capital is here. Ne number. Borrow morga. See and the Queen na Mama as I will call and that's my phone. Or where will it go now? Where or Gabone or Nade allegation. Upon now on two. Where or where is the opportunity? Where we couldn't go in your bona. If for in a matter trust. Or we will not back capital or you will not Bassima, will not back everybody. But the good intention only feel naturally no be your fiancé. In your phone, we a problem. Go up to number or number. What is the number? Save for contact here the phone way. Ibru made. Dino nya hogi ebi. Can you only save contact here or a GM again? Now, monsieur issue with you. And I'm Rose. The next knows both it was down the phone. Even before or got one, it was one down the phone. And I usually, where do you get our number? Where do you get my number? If I did not build trust, let me block this person immediately. Thank God I did not meet you. Just comment that your rubbish comments. I will send you from where you belong. Ozu. Okay, I'm going to I lost this. Let me be blocked.
Yes, I am mentioning you here now. I am mentioning you on his comments. I don't mention you.
I see them.
I
don't block them already now.
Okay.
I just unless I don't see them. Make peace with you. Not if you drop that comment, then I block you. Make peace with you.
Okay. Jpac, I have to say something. I've stayed here for a couple of minutes without saying anything.
Why didn't somebody who? He don't give us a live video of somebody said as well as second able money be so anyway be face. We got your number contact second a phone. Kena Jano.
Jpac, please can I say something so I can drive home?
Okay, no problem.
At first, I did like you to, in as much as God has never stopped helping you on the internet, and God has never stopped helping you medically and otherwise, I also want you to also see it that you will never stop helping anybody. Wait, that statement is too big and wider than expectation. People on social media also help you.
Yes, but I wasn't promote to anybody. I don't go for promotion market and where being.
Okay, that's no power.
Always your feel for now. We'll
talk more about that on the private. Okay. But here, I haven't been here at this moment. I also want to use this opportunity to tell people this. If you know Jpac, also believe that I know him. I have met Jpac by some MCs, some content creators. I don't want to call names. And they are living witness. I'm also surprised that they are not saying anything. I have met them, they carry their bags, and what they be happy. Few things I will say this night. After I say this one, I will point one thing, and let God be the judge. Let God Almighty be the judge. So, Jpac carried these guys along. To some extent, he left a house for them. And any content creator of Rodre stranded, care for that place, Club 101, care for that place, the vintage. Even a vintage. Some people came to vintage for a show. And about 3 guys amongst them were stranded. Just at the mention of the name Jpac, he took them to where they will stay, provided for them until they left. That one is one. Jpac, I want to remind you, one day we were coming back from somewhere. I was in Lagos for business, and we followed together to Lekki. We started coming back at night. I was the one driving on your Avalon, Toyota Avalon. We went to Lekki. On our way coming back. I put one boy in the OPC Jidre. She would that boy that night. This boy has already. We met this guy. Upon the crowd and everything, you said Governor could stop what I say we go down here. 2 a.m. Lo and behold, as we got there, the boy has Igbo was one on our intonation. The boy now spoke. The boy speak Igbo. The tent touched me. We insisted within the Yoruba na Baleaho ni hunde.
This on your shoe. Bolo putara onye go onwe ya credit. Bolo putara ogwa begi. How he did that, how he did this. He will never to start talking. He liked to give himself credit. What he has done. Why didn't you appreciate him? He want to tell you, I have given my life. I have sacrificed everything. Why are you guys not appreciating me? Everything. All he wants is recognition. You must recognize him. Without you recognizing him, idiot will never talk. He will first of all give you one scenario, one thing he has achieved, one thing he has done, before he start talking. Empty vessel that always accord himself for that honor without moving on your witty. Critical. On our praises, he got to praise him. He has done this. Where did you guys do? He has done this. Brain honey need to brain okoko.
We insisted on this boy gala. That is one. Then there is a bridge. They call Elemo Bridge. One day we were coming out and we met another young man. Also go across that place. Ogechi 15 naira. That bridge you must pay 15 naira in Lagos. Go and verify this thing I'm telling you. Elemo Bridge by Community Road. And we were driving out. We are paid 200 naira. Kamoto Nako, every car pays 200 naira. Before you go into that estate, you pay 200. If you're coming out, you pay 200. All the taxation business, none of that's part of Lagos. And when we Tony Igbo, Joe Arafat comedy is a living witness. To this Igbo guy, Jpac came down from the vehicle. We came down from the car, rush Kande Yoruba. Lemo Bridge. Mopona, I know that place I'm telling you. The thing I call Facebook Kasara. Until we saved Onyi Bayamarono before. God Almighty be me witness. This night be me witness. Dear, within the Yoruba upon police upon everything. Because that was an intimidation against Onye Sugibo. The same Igbo somebody will bet his life for. The same Igbo somebody. Should I even ask some of these people? I am this Jpac fled into Abuja 3 times for Mazen and the kind of court case. Nobody paid for me.
I
don't tell you. First of all, tell you what he has done. Why are you guys not to carry him up? He has done everything. He has done unthinkable. He's doing a lot.
Okay. That first day, court.
Yes.
That day. Second,
Yes.
I can be the court that year. But that's good to have a 3 times. On game. So I was last 2 courts.
Yes. I was paying my flight ticket through and through. This Jpac was paying. Ambassador Obites is Ambassador Obites Emmanuel. He's also a living witness. He also came, I think, 1 or 2 times. Boss lady is a living witness. Who have we not paid price for to defend? When you are right. But I watch some people. They come up on the internet. They want to say certain things that Chineke Dineligwe saw. So many of you that you are not. And that's why you're talking.
Let me say this before the camera. If I have ever discussed, okay, na contact this you with an account. If I don't get him in contact, about how close, but I can never give any borrowers of my wife age to contact my clients. I know fit. This Okoko Njaka na Chicago was the person begging me. Munye to me contact Onya. You see, no.
Wait, and I'm a big contact this man. Again, I come na choka si man him. Let me write it down. Oh, hey. Okay, another story. Hey, and people say make I no talk. Hey, Jpac who has gato. Ya wrote this cheap hashe. And I may beg gig for seaman contact him. Mona, Jimmy, get a talk a seaman and him because. Please. Oh,
what? Never to release his contact to anybody.
Hey!
Okoko Njaka here. Now young when you have number contact to be a combat to be a popular every good at India. No. Or what for any contact you have to contact Zion. Will not.
Hey! No, don't worry. Tomorrow I'm gonna open my chat. I'm gonna able to name the contact. When you remember that to or when you remember through the phone. Yaba village and no ashegato. Village and no ashegato. Yaru this cheap ashe. Anyway, children. Tomorrow I'm gonna boom. My baby Akwa, my Zion, how we met each other. Oh, Okuko Jpac. Etoya nke adabahụ. Baby Akwa. Baby Akwa that I knew before you. Okay. You that was with the Palace of Justice when I knew Baby Akwa. The very first day. Baby Akwa, you went and told Baby Akwa. Now lekpa about this lady. Now lekpa until bro so the person that connected you with Baby Akwa through me. Sorry, through me. Can Baby Akwa reach out to Egbe. Through Egbe, Kiji went contact Baby Akwa. Why are you lying? No go when you contact Chineke. Today, every $1 shana. Every $1 shana. I got my bazi tomorrow. Can get me pesiri baby okun. What you said about him. So relax. Tomorrow, people got them on the things you said about baby okun. Huh? Cool down. Hey man, onyena to ashe. That's the wrong person. I got to get that short mother they can. You cannot lie against me. And I'm shaking him contact this man. When him talk to man, he made him. Why am I looking for contacts? I took him advertise. I took him commercial. Why am I looking for his contacts? How? In a to make sense. Contact look for me. I am not you that open us and collect contacts. And a man like this, contacts will reach me. And then he come through us since him and us, they decided to protect me by themselves. Just that I made a comment say I'm coming. Obola. Now contacts they look for me. I know they look for contacts. Contacts just they love me for no reason. You want get them come you get them contacts. And them no grandma be over Jpac ne asking it. You. I Ogechi, I don't see me. You that beg that con can take connect na kwana chop everything can copy the akoshi over his dead body. Over his dead body. Na to hon dey at all. And what he made for him? Akoshi mbamba na we he say but na to hon. You that we are being the mediator. And when we everything in a good Ogechi, I know every step he take, and you know it. That is why you always come to me to beg to dash you money. Yes, and even them the buggy will kill it. But tomorrow we will put everything in okuko shena. Tell you this one tomorrow. Ejoku gabani. I carry happen that idiot. Any dream he picture, but I try to distract him. But maybe block or like that's fine.
I don't back because yeah. Even when I wanted to give back because I said yeah, I said because I move because you no me no wa be back. Move I'm no more store motive. Because I said not for this year I would just honor this man number move because I thought hello this. I never move so move for number because I go yeah. Tell me them. I got one here no. Chineke na me hoko wade. This guy. Anyway, tomorrow I got matter. Amaka I've been trying to add you. I don't know what happened to your network. You, Jpac, you. I told you, boo, like you. Now this guy, I should get through and wait. Hey, I'm good here. Yeah, the day is all for Patakata. Hey, the same occasion about Pakata, so one day also quite. On as Jpac, also one day blessed. Also one day blessed because on a payroll. Also one day blessed. Never also number 1 million. Hey! Chineke na lekwa no be shisho biko chiraga da baba shaku biko rebi no nye 1 million ari ebi no nye mu the 1 oh na enwu the hey akwa gbaranga agbase ego ibe gi nyege nyenu mu me rianu the pipe ile chana no e ga come. Okay, you won't pay me Jpac before we do the Nyash exam. Nah, because Jpac, you don't say to give them with this inferior life. Hey. I think I name this 1 million. No. You must give me this 1 million.
Because only that made I collect my own 1 million.
I give you the question is here, because now I feel low, I want to say, I told me that the Jpac walker, and I want to be on myself. I'm married. I told me not under anybody. I came out online and apologized to Onyobodo. I came out online. This started when I apologized to Mbaka. They write up the siege on my page. Because I'm going to maybe from that. Conversation with conscience, carry anything you can imagine on earth. Man, I've been talking here. Oh, my, after 2 days, I need to call you. Conversation. Say, now, for you, I better this is what you want to unite the first. Name is Moody and Odroma. We move on. That is friendship for you. I can never open my contact. They don't born you well. I do not buy bishop money. I don't feel give up anybody. No image not better phone man. Man also going now one. I don't feel release the number because they have been working each other way. Now I'm not total. Now the college and now put my wife on a pueblo. Because I told them love. To call up with my boss. I put my bond as I call. She knows me. And the other had their tint. Come on, as I call. Come on, you're saying I'm more serious. How long? Due to that, this year we block ourselves. I first block you, block me. Block what is here by block everybody. Because all those things are catastrophic. Wait, mgbe ịkọchara m akụkọ ka ị blọkụrụ kọọ before ga-akọrọ m this guy na-akọ akụkọ wait ọwụ mgbe ịkọchara m dị akụkọ ka mgbe iji jere gị 10 million enyere gị ọma gị blọkụrụ onwe gị ka mgbe m blọkụrụ gị we want to understand ka ọ wee kọbe dị akụkọ ablọkụ ga blọkụọ asị ga-enwe wait this is your line no get wait. Talking to me, and it's a problem. Block everybody. If there's open, I'm going to say, "Yo, Mbaka, that na open against you because of maybe I was influenced to say such." Then when I realized myself, I came and I apologized. Well, tabam, namu idiot, namu betrayer. One made you with the Mbaka again. One made you here. Pull it down. I don't pull anything down. I can't delete that. Well, how will I? How can I delete it? So tomorrow I will not come and mark where is your no. Move. I eat into us say no wa. Here slippers. Come lose you need them when no wa. But why is it that all only came back again at duration? Because they do his Why is it that all only came back? Because I'm not making a good discuss him back up. That one is left for you and Akun. I'm not Robbie, but to everything you said, why is it that okay nani kidurishin? Chinake about cool. Ega duishin all the things I'm saying. I'm not doing you Jpac. Hey, Jpac. Eba I go na the wrong place. No when I'm back because I near Ogechi. No recommend the Ogechi. And yet 1 million naira in here. Hey! Into what? Even not on what I pay for. He said, Jpac, he said, on an electrical, he said, any day, I couldn't 1 million. Allah is or Okuga, we have Kochanyeki. You will not get 1 year, contact Yak. Maputa Dinaya, Allah is or Okuga, we have Kochanyeki. Jpac. It's I hope you'll be wearing these slippers. I hope you'll be wearing it. Ya wouldn't know working when you're contact. Ya wouldn't know get one. But I wouldn't collect any 1 million from Indian Zion or from Akwa. Let me not live to see tomorrow. It's something applicable to number Akwa. I know that I'm not call me himself. Now contacted me himself. I could any 1 million from any of you. May I never see tomorrow. May tomorrow be a cost to my life.
inyere m nọmba akụ na mkpọrọ gị rịọga gị gene gị akụ mee everything Chineke ji gozie m ka strip webata ọnwụ ya Jpac aga m emefọ gị na this blue app aga m emefọ gị because you cannot live and be lying and lying na gị nwanyere m nọmba akụ ha wee na ọ na-arụkọ na mmadụ mụ na konye kpọrọ ibe ya anọ na m onwe m young man contacted me. Is that how you are? Is that how you are, Jpac? Anyway, tomorrow. Tomorrow.
You are empty their way. Come so no ya so. Mas keep on because now you are once collected money before. You could say a problem. If you have a say a problem, you can't say the truth.
No.
Because I don't want to go too much. I don't want to say, but I could say now for young Naya, get to seek it out for here. His own turn is coming. It's your way for this one. You have you know now. I will man Baraba, but to tell you that now we are assured. I am assured I'm not going to reveal anything of it because I'm good. Nothing with me. And it should be with me. Say, man, badly. When they reveal but now Ogechi
oh God, deal with you. Are you not the one that calling him out? Are you not the one that calling him audio billionaire? Each secret I can't match it about audio billionaire for pay. Are you not the one that saying I have the tomorrow I will play it. You know you're a bloody liar. You don't need the secret about Akwa. What do you say list about Akwa? Even if Akwa, you came out start attacking this young man with your lies. Not because of about to me. So what more secret do you have that you cannot reveal? You see how you guys lie. On your Lord make here with you now. I want that come. Abraham Akwa, I want him. That's it. When a man is talking deep secret, you should be the last. You should be the last. And if Akwa is my living witness, I told him before these things happened, Shehuna, you this guy, beware of what you discuss with him. I told you. And when you comment here, Dr. Fortunate, Dr. Fortunate, I'm for how many years? Or Goni now, but this blue app. I stood by him. See, we they bustle it inside. When you see a true friend, you stand by that friend. We the fight. The same thing applicable to Akwa. We the fight and Akwa inside. But will you ever see me come and taboo anything that has to do? You know what keep me chani his secrets. He kept who's obito boako na ebe ojiga bo drug na nka na emenenka menka. We put so HB made this young man attack you. Hesheba. Akwa was also showing maturity, focusing on his business, friendship. You can't. Let me tell you, no. Two of you, how desperate you guys wanted Akwa back. Yawuru get on Akwa with a problem. You part your way and go. The same way ex-convict was busy calling people to make peace with him and Akwa. Akwa, you got to make peace with Ogechi before me. You got to talk about Ogechi apology, or there will be no peace. This ex-convict na Onya. Ex-convict Beashi, Akwa, trust me. Jpac is not meant to be trusted. You know, I'm not going today on my life. You're not aware that I will be there for you. That a Jpac is somebody you cannot tell anything. Onya, ex-convict, we pretend. This one don't like Jpac. Trust me, don't trust ex-convict. All these things are pretense. I don't go lie to you now. I get my Torunash. Now, when both of them wanted to make peace, Hannah Jonya gave me peace. They contacted Reverend Ephraim. What Reverend Ephraim? They want to make peace. Like In a peace, Ogechi got aware, Ogechi got involved. They say they don't want me to know that I should leave me. Up here, I will chop problem. Ogechi is a problem. Ogechi is the one causing problem. Let me tell you. You see one thing about me. I am the only person that will take your secret to your early grave. To your grave, to your old grave. I don't betray friends. I do not scrutinize friends in public. Jpac, you are somebody I want to destroy. You are somebody I want to disfigure because of what you did to my father. That anger is still in me. And that may destroy again. And what who's so bad get you for trying in what? People have what is the problem? Since I've been telling you that you abused my father, you tormented my father, you molested my father. None of you were talking about it. Only on a co-parent. I will get it. He can make marriage. Ogechi can make I wish I'm going to get marriage. Go to marriage. And when only about it, until you guys start tackling where the problem comes from. Until you guys start tackling what is the main game of the problem. Oh, you should see, man. And I said, when I start talking the things about see, man. When I start talking it, back now the word the more heavier than you expected. You, anonymization early morning. I send messages in Skibo. Same one, and I wanna Gamali early morning. First thing is very soon, and I equal to this eye I gave Peggy. To close this eye, no go create you. Mexico give eh? Onyuku no wakeganapo, eganapo nyenta no sumeni. When I'm done fucking with you, you will understand that you dare not torment any dead body in your life. And then you guys should start from the beginning. How to that one. Now you guys are calling Daddy Ebukobi. What have Daddy got to do with this? You guys say the video Mbakamere previously, people put that video, that one did not work. Now, hey, in Anga, this woman representing Zion. Yeah, I'm going to show me a Christian. Sorry, I'm going to show me born again. I'm only a Christian. I'm only someone that loves what Daddy do. And I will sacrifice everything to protect his interest in this blue earth because I know he's real. Akwa Mary Magdalene won't sana Jesus opo. Akwa that's Mary Magdalene. Jesus ole character in the Bible. You want to come and preach Bible? Akwa that akwa that found favor in the sight of God. You are not in any position to describe who I am on social media as convicts. I heard that you were doing a video calling Daddy. May thunder scatter your generation. Your video is after tomorrow. I will come and pieces your lifestyle. And when strategy you look at Jima Hapu Jpac, lie until you guys start fixing things about Shiri baby. Until you guys start minding your business as a grown-ass man. When the goods are no longer good, you move on. That's life. And when the Batrani Mentum, it did not work. It did not work for us. And everybody depart from their way. When the Pirani hey depart, we later reconcile. What I go? When the Pirani, and I dig them slow down. Look when you pick it up. That is how life is. I don't just start crying. Akwagi, you, bang. No, maturity define what we portray your life tomorrow. But you two demons, started attacking Ebukobi directly. He's not calling Ebukobi to listen to a big one like you, to listen to a rapist like you. Ex-convict like you. I don't know about ex-convict. Ex-convict in Nigeria face to face. You are an ex-con. Ex-con, you will remain. until gabe onye na mi jakpo ma shawo until gabe prove ebe nna m no rape mu until gabe prove ebe nna m na opam onu I get ekwu mo gana na masa shawo you know talk am you know then ex convict I get ekwu ebe nna me blo pom onu oh unu che na ogo we do ma ka onu ma do gbara gi I do ma ka onu me wure mma gbowa gi ishi agba gi na bunu na na acho ogo mma and you will not tell me how to fight my fights. You shouldn't get out of machine making one. Oh, you don't understand it? I will teach you how to fight. Maybe you're too weak, but you only round your mouth. What I go? Here, get a Jpac in Acho. Eh? I will circumcise 2 of you the second time. I can make Peru Namu. I'm a with Amu because say Peru, I'm a Peru Nuko. But let's assume that every man that comes from Igbo land and after 7 days. May believe what that Ebegunuku. But I can bury. Hello? Yeah. Mary Magdalene, Akwa? Oh, get it talking. Oh, yeah, no. Ebe ha chọrọ ịbịa judge amụ ụmụ anyị na-eji ọtọ na social media. Why daddy should not associate with a man? Oh yeah. How are you, sir? Oh, the massacre one. Chai. Yes, sir. Dangerous, how very dangerous. So they are demon.
But it's just that now some people and I got that. Because that the truth will not on nature peace. And my watch that is not how to make peace. And they my problem go my dad on social media. Very simple. Nature will do. I'm so sorry because now the truth no matter whether they like it or not, all these things only open a man kebe ziogo. It's very, 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 very painful. Now instead of having my inner pussy, I can't put a call inside that inside the packer.
Hey, and what beside the hash chibe?
You know, all these things will not solve this problem the way I'm saying it. But now, up and you remember that Jpac, I would have called him. I'm not knowing how to hear the arrow.
No need, I'm finish here before you don't need to call him.
Because now the truth about all these things. How
ambassadorship. How many people not? I'm not interested.
You got to go. I wouldn't. My yoga again. Okay, because.
There's not possible. Okay.
I want to look for his number. And I want to talk to him because that the from my like I know that young man offended you. You want to go? You don't just will pick on you know, the internet. I'm on those things you will, you know, fabricate all manner of
life.
It didn't acquire a course of all this. I was like, when all those things, that's is this possible?
Thank you.
You know, I believe me initially because I don't know you then. And look at that. When they follow, they can you chop down all these things about propaganda, all lies. So, and since then, you have never come out na social media again. So now you know, try to make a amendment, you know. And all these things. Because internet and this young lady, this is my annoyance. You know, if I were him, even the wife would be very stupid because now she would have been the one to quench this thing. She would have picked.
Okay, what sense? Okay, what sense before quenching it? What sense? What common sense?
I don't in support of you, Mele. Because I just finished my wedding. I'm waking, you know, why am I be? You know, if I need a natural data, I'm say, and I bones. I'm when since you call, you don't need me see her. So, Biko, they have offended you. Biko, I'm my one favor. Nyem tomorrow, I can post no also Biko. Nyem tomorrow. I want to talk to him, Biko. Biko and my yoga Biko. I know they offended you. Because I'm a full year from beginning. All this propaganda, but a lawyer and as long as I'm concerned, or medicine after death. You gotta go. Business US. So I don't know. So as long as I'm concerned, the truth to the imagona, only want to try the truth to get the truth. Only to go and my problem. And when they start to, I want you to disrespect. I'm not against it. I'm Jpac because of it. I know him. My brother, I'm go business. Tomorrow. One of my friends, you know, on a sick EPTA, so you can say anything. I know. But now, this man or you to be late. My brother, I don't care. I don't care after all. Women and Pamo. Some of you from a color Umba, I say, oh, do not be on our favor. Some of them will keep us. Oh man, okay, on one I Michi is a problem. Even up to no only I can make even that's the empire. I am not why I say. Mom here, he called a Jpac, Ogechi, more any threaten again. He can't threaten me. He can't because I'm on mine. I want to see empire. This guy has him always always massive the empire. The Asimban no gay, no kitchen mat close. Gamma the empire. Come not today, this regret that and I told her the same thing in Chiriwako. I want both of them. This you get today. Amami he call ya. Oh, yeah, me asking me ponu. Every time when they penetrate in the arrogant and I want not all these women. He cannot tell anything about me because I think I'm useless. I'm only all go to your best friend today can be your worst enemy tomorrow. This is your lifestyle. Biko.
tomorrow.
Okay, my brother. It's about the
Biko.
No wahala. No wahala.
Biko, I want to call him. You know, in the last one, then and the second because again I very careful. Like when we don't watch him not no Congo na no make 100 million menka sit again they kidnap you know most of those who na they diplomatic na those.
My brother Congo I'm sure 100 million now.
I got a minute, but because it's again they kidnap.
Again, that kidnap or kidnap boy. I had to make again. Maybe I kidnap Diego. Yeah. Onye na put on a public she on you could have na kubuom. Enubea.
My brother,
if you follow me with it, be me follow you with it. My brother, what about him Dana? Threaten and threaten him or game implicates.
Of course, okay.
That is how it is.
Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah, you give me a mother now, but I Mali here. You gotta go.
Don't know what they're doing.
More case, but now we could tomorrow. Biko.
Thank you.
Come, I want to try. Send to go to number but Jpac and I
them number. I blocked all them. I blocked them. I deleted them. I don't have any assets.
Number on our Facebook or now I pick.
I don't know.
Just name tomorrow Biko. I can post the Yobana.
Delete anything that has to do with them. Everything I wanted to save, I saved it before deleting their this.
My wife's on edge. Okay. So I want to call them. Come here for advice. Then I will still call you tomorrow. Okay, no problem. I am a royal member as well because now the way this is Ghana, only have to call side, only have to man case and hallelujah. You know all these things. I for my trouble now, and we go into that. You know, something is going on behind. So I don't want it to go more than this because
my brother, I see no reason why your personal fight related to Zion. Why are they calling Mbaka, bringing video, bringing daddy? Is it because I stand for this man? Is it because they see me as a threat between them? Because anything in Ogechi back are awful. They will tell Zion kindly.
Oh,
You don't know what these people are playing.
Even I watched his video. Because I
did not allow them their new execution about Zion to take place. Someone with their problem. What are they? Or anybody. I've given up.
I understand. I know, and I may follow all this game.
They know they are weak to challenge me. How to go that way?
Biko. If I don't I want to talk to them because I have to go how to solve this problem. But not the way I got the wrong. But it comes that way.
They owe my dad the apology. They need to stay away from Zion. Period. Peace will reign.
I will tell them the truth and nothing but the truth.
Move on. Move on. Mind your business. There are many things to discuss. Why Zion? Why Akwa? Why Daddy? Why all these things?
Yeah, we have just game. They are just and about the issue.
Actually, it made you of my.
All these people, that all these big men that have Jpac, all these big men
that will not solve this problem. I understand the whole thing. Man may follow this thing from beginning, you know. Because tomorrow.
No problem, sir. No, Alan. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Take care. So, all this strategy, all this ex-convict Daddy, are you not hearing it? This woman said that she's representing you. She's sharing women need. She's doing this. It's not good. Blah blah blah. It's not supposed to. This is Dante Yane. Blah blah blah. It will not hold water. I am an independent supporter. I don't belong in any denomination. I don't even belong in any Zion group in this place. I am an individual, personal supporter. Nobody's paying me. Nobody have ever paid me. Honor between me and God. I never collected a dime from anybody just to support Zion. What I do it out of my heart. Because I'm Nadadi the pure. Things I have seen, things I have witnessed, una chosiri wonye nkunu. Because of una personal interest. That was the reason why I got involved. I've been in that situation. Do you know why I defended Okurora? Because I've been in such situation. Do you know why I'm standing by Ebukobi? Because I've been in where people hate you because of the gifts God unyeregi. Did you get it? So anybody that will come out and feel intimidated like Ogechi is doing, Ogechi is being recognized, that is your business. I am not a member. I am not in any group. I am not competing in any position. I'm not competing in any position with all of you. So anybody that felt threatened for me being at my own little space, that is your own cup of tea. The only day I is the day that got potassium Ogechi go by, stop supporting us, and I will hands up. Our potassium Ogechi go by, remove Zion from your mouth. I will hands up. But all these pretenders. All this in down about video to wish they rotate and GNA make views. Now gonna YouTube. Now gonna say you guys are. If you cross my path, I will cross you. If you cross my path, maybe Gashike. That's and we no cause to settle with you. So you know who I said and I will threat. No getting. No, this is me. This is me. Pure to the core. I don't get anything. I am not ex-convict them. You know you're lying. I am too big. And then 1 million. The same you that open mouth and I'm putting a kuego. I'm putting a million. No him not to him. So which one would they be? See how you contradict? It's always your works against your works, and you don't even know how to put up a lie that can be so convincing. You lie to implicate your fucking selves. The same Ogechi Burulego Bunyako. You said it. I'm gonna play the video tomorrow. Is the same person in 1 million? And did you make sense? Do you fucking make sense? One insult is in 1 million. If you want to buy me, you start from 20 million. I'm not you that is a hungry beggar. I'm not you 200,000 and I would deal you. It's not even possible. Why would I could give me money? In what that I mean him like it? I mean him like that this is real. You guys are in demons. My belly face suddenly may change it. Now go for what? As you guys see the ego that have gotten weak and not getting more money, then why won't I leave? Why won't Khalif, one thing you should know about me is that onye ola mkpo na azu nkwu ya ga-eru n'ala until onye ha shem kpo ha ya. Until onye ha kwa maka na azu Ogechi kpo ha am. That is enwe no hija gotam that mkpụrụ gị na azu. That when you hear unukota tomorrow, I should disappoint again. I don't betray anybody that I'm standing by. I can look all cookie empty ya. Lawyer empty. That is me. People not when anything special. No, because if I collect money, I'll be weak and big up the money. You want to go? Oh, him and only Elijah make charity. If you are putting heart in what you're gonna get in charity, you will quit. Charity is a priceless and a selfless commitment. People that go into it because of money always quit along the process. You want to go? So all this your cheap lies, your cheap lies, your exhausted lies can never pave way. Akaligom 1 million. Akaligom 1 million. And you know it. That you are just lying to cover up your fucking lying shameless self. I got me go tomorrow. I got me mbamba tomorrow. I got me release ya one bomb tomorrow. May have fun. You come and explain it again. You have not started explaining. You told me 1 million stories within a short period of time. I knew you. 1,000,000 stories you told me. Within a short period of time, I knew you. And I was so clever. That is why I'm blaming Daisy Empire. I'm sorry for her. That's why she cannot talk. Because she have handed you over the weapon Igeje destroyer. You know why I'm Jpac? Because he hold nothing against Cain. You met a woman that is more gamer than you. So anything you don't have inside it to go and kukumba when time. The lies you cooked to before that he put reggae on her. The lies you said that my father raped me. The lies you said that Mpam Bromono. The lies you said that my father. Is that the same lie you told the world? One day, I came into you to finish your remaining. I came into you to finish your dead remaining. Because my dead father went home. An honorable man. Who carries some no sports. Now his record. You brought him, you ridiculed him on social media. And some people are telling me your marriage. What is your marriage? That Ashawo you married? Ashawo I pass her promise. Look at the ad woman. She can't even be proud to make commercial. So people will be interested to buy. She can't even put up a about this best of the same feather. Also about Dorlane and we will no redeem. Look at one about no brain, no nothing. She cannot, she doesn't even, I don't know what to, she's not even as spoken. Go and look at I was looking at everything about that commercial, everything is zero. On your video post where shame all of y'all fucked up. Everything not on point. Who will buy that thing if it's not on Yara? And 200,000 Egypt. You cannot present who does not have the gift. She's zero. You need to train her. Send her back to school. Line in it, your whole line you. She cannot put up a nothing. She cannot put up calm. Me pere ashawo business eba nkokra o graduate. Eba nko we bo keteri ihe. She got nothing. She's empty. Empty. Her hand cannot make gold. Like, not at all. Not at all. Absolutely nothing. She can't define anything. Can I jump back to your nonsense video?
Okay. Because the same thing I say on what I'm talking about Ogechi. The same thing called what I do about cooperation. I will hold it to my on animal road, but I can't say
Jpac.
Man, I got no true. Hey, Okwa on our way back because I got with the Okwa. The Akwa ya ton and not on here in I told as Odogu, billionaire. I am untable billionaire. I am only good billionaire. I am under Diego. I'm under Diego. I am under Diego Borazwaya. I'm one day with
the same money Okuganam Biriako is the same indirect talk Okugaya. Oh, what the same idiot to Shinanian in 1 million. Then how can I carry such amount to give? Then I still a excuse you. See, when you're lying, you can't even put your shit together. You lie, you fuck your ass in the asshole. Nah, the same Ogechi Bombo. Those things really play. I don't know how people reason. I don't know how some people with a very poor IQ, they can easily be manipulated and maneuvered without reasoning deep. Ogechi nam joronja wana menwe brain. Brain him go the top notch. Common sense overrule. You want to go? Kema the same uka fake billionaire. Ogechi binyerego. Ogechi bugi. The same thing no barage ko baramo. Pak. Akoye my head baraha. I warned you earlier. I told you. I don't tell you. I told you. Good. I like Remo women. When I get in a man, I will come inside them boss, okay? Baggy how I feel. We iron it and we end it. And I'm a broom muddy be. And the last scene him game away put on online. Onyem my bed display what rubbish in a display. Then if that friendship unless me put on a bastard wamo. Unless you put on a bastard wamo. As well as you just pack your glue go, I go pack my own go. After all, that was the time. It was good. It was good, honey. So go by your way. Move on. I mind my business because tomorrow I ain't going to keep busy. Any friend when I had them my scrutinize them outside. Already when I get was it maybe next Aussie hello hi. Because madame may for you outside. Not at all. You do not expose your friend. I hope on your battery may be feeling that because this one is not a friend. He destroy new baby. You want me to keep you? You brought to my father. When he made for him, you feel that I'm gonna get a better thought overnight. I'm going to friend. Dala. Cherechi. Guys, don't forget. Jpac. Before they made the video, I'm gonna drop one video. Guy in Pajama. I'm gonna wish again. That tongue is your cook. I want to try to with a brand new Yegia. Yezegi tongue walking away. I will restructure this your tongue. Wish Chagia when you say Giri tongue. Many name way. Because you're not a man. You just bruam. All person will never come. Well, then braggy close know that okay, I'm telling the truth. Hammer, but they don't want me to be saying it. Can't do forget. But then I didn't do get a kid into me. What are you living for? A demon like you now on a leave. But
in the same person now, more than set no hope. I saw me who. I said, about your job, all one woman. Because I complain. No people who get I thought that you no people have money or that you Ogechi, I don't complain about that because I don't know my actually supplier. Don't worry, who do you book to?
Hey! And what the anything but this guy about to anything about Saramania? Hey! Chineke na me. Hey! Akon, you see him? I never complained anything to this guy. Ono pana ime mkpụrụ fam nata. I never onye totally because I'm not any problem. Hey. I drag everybody in this issue. I drag that Jim. I drag because some of these people is people love with all my heart. And when some Jpac be a my guruginik. We tell me test. I never ever in my entire life go nya about anything. Maybe you hear I couldn't discuss so. Me and I'm never. Why would I? And make discuss when it can change anything. You wanna be arium? And now arium because na him and I couldn't no. I will play the record. More gonna be a but you can message him again. You that always depend on me. Must be like this guy. Hey, yo, we all eat that. Today, can they get it? Hey, today, can that this guy? Hey, you see how they're trying to cover the main topic? These people are playing a double standard game, which is not gonna work with Jpac. Okay, nobody China is just all your plan. What will be the next? Ema kwana the story kanom nono. Ema kwana the story kanom nono. Hey, that douche.
My just born on kitchen chair. Who is in charge? You don't want to kill one abu. After this life, I'm not going to do any live video again. To tell you that I'm sure I'm not coming out to do any live video again. But the end of the here, I was now having a way fuel. Now they're saying, yeah, can you go to the NMPC? Then go to
Jpac, please wait. I want you to believe now. I have two things, and one will be an appeal I want to make to you, and the other one is I want to tell you clearly that I have done my findings so far. I've written to those people I know I can reach out to, call those I know I should call around Prophet Ebukobi, and I want to tell you for free that those statements I make that Daddy Evangelist Ebukobi, please, I want you and the general public, you have 1,100 and something persons watching currently.
I'm also blocking a lot of people now.
And I am saying this for the very first time, that Evangelist Ebukobi is not in support. As far as I have investigated, believe me, a few minutes ago, I had the presence of Barrister Nnamdi, the Zion lawyer, whom came to my community while they were building the new Zion sites right here in Ngobala. I can tell you for free that Zion is not aware. I mean, Prophet Ebukobi is not in any way in support of any of these things. And I want to tell you also, Jpac, that on behalf of the Church of God, the church is not in support. The church in any way does not represent anybody who comes on the internet to fabricate lies against the body of Christ or anybody.
Even when Barrister Nande, where I'm going, that now they are against what is going on. Now, when why is in support of that? You know that this young woman is forcing herself.
No. Jpac, wait. It's not everything can be said on the internet. So, but I am saying this to you, if actually they have told you this, I want you to also try and control this side, brother. I am only pleading with you. And with a certain statement of it will not look good on me.
Unana hold the strategy of the game now. With me or Balestanando or Baristanande or go, Kanu Basaragena. It's none of my business. I never brought that in at this game. I never brought anybody in at this thing. Why are you guys bringing Zion and the so Baristanande? And he brought himself to ridicule himself in this kind of shit. Your so-called Baristanande, I don't want, anyway, let me hold my peace. I want to hold my peace because I don't want to go far. But it's quite unfortunate that that these people they use to penetrate Zion. It's quite unfortunate that they are using you to penetrate Zion. That you have beef with one particular person. Get decided. No wonder the same people putara biawe ebukobi war indirectly. The same people now fight ebukobi. In fact, I don't know what to say, but it's quite unfortunate that you made yourself available to a ridicule point because you are having issue with one person. I am sorry for you. It's quite unfortunate. You are disgracing yourself. I swear to God. So, about to just go shine in the name of Nina Gazayon, Ebuputegi, in the thing that we are doing, Ebukobi nothing, Sabbath for what Ogechi is doing. You are a disgrace. You are really a disgrace, Makachi. Because of him, we got problem with one individual, and then I got joined here with the enemy. It's quite unfortunate that you have. Tomorrow, come give me address. I will finish you online tomorrow. That time the people are talking him, oh my God, release here. Barrister Night, Nandi, shame on you. You are a disgrace. The hands of the demon that want to ridicule Zion, you run inside just because he had problem with one person. Get GTA, very deeply, whatever we are doing. You are shame. Makachineke, you were a disgrace. I don't know even who brought you into that Zion to represent anything. You are not qualified. Do you want me to start disgracing you? It's your campaign to disgrace Imake. Imakemu on Ejimono. When I will start disgracing you now, I say, okay, why did you go that far? They need to call you and caution you. They need to call you and finish their mission. In Onga every day, Jpac will come out and be calling that Ebukobi Habarayaka poison. These people and lost son and so you are this cheap, you are this useless, you are this hopeless to allow these idiots to manipulate you. Check tomorrow and I put you respect on Weki. You did not want to respect yourself. I will ridicule you tomorrow. Wait for me. Make it fine. I put you respect on Weki. Because even when they want a standing problem with someone, they believe for then I with a problem to come and disgrace yourself. Can you do what I have done for Zion, you useless barrister? Can you do what I have done for Zion? Can you be in this position? You are a disgrace to that church. You are a disgrace. So these demons, so everything that this hopeless thing called ex-convict is doing to torment Akwa, you are being the brain behind it. You are being the brain behind the whole thing. Anyway, tomorrow can get below how useless you are in that place. Only can have position. Only can have opposition inside the church. Now like Roneka Karionya, it become a problem. Tomorrow, I will address you because Ashone Barionwea, Ashokia Barionwea, Omakeji, me you have brought yourself to a point that I have to put you at a place. Cherem tomorrow. Let me answer this call. Hello? Hello?
Because when I saw that man, I can't share.
Even when I called them yesterday, that he appeared where? Sure, I swear with mine. They said I should send the video. Look at how this idiot to penetrate. This man is Hey, Jesus Christ. No problem. No wahala. No wahala. No wahala. No wahala. You were a very big disgrace. As you have brought yourself to ridicule, I will ridicule you. I will belittle you.